Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Klaviyo. We're also going to have a look at Flodesk and see which one is going to be better for your business. So let's jump in. So first of all, Klaviyo has a very nice, simple layout. On the left-hand side, you have your menu, which you can go ahead and explore everything within your account, such as your audience. There's a couple growth tools. You can manage all your content, such as the products that you have. You can add new listings right over here. There's some email templates, some templates that you can go ahead and use for your landing pages, for your forms, your sign-up forms, and so forth. They also have all of your metrics, all of your analytics, so you can view everything all in one place. And it's pretty easy to build stuff within Klaviyo, such as going into like templates here and selecting one of the pre-existing templates. You can pretty much customize everything within this template. So you can add new blocks, you can remove blocks, you can customize current blocks, as you can see over here. You can upload your own media, you can import fonts. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do here to really customize it. What I like about Klaviyo is creating workflows. They've got pre-made templates also for workflows. So if you're creating a workflow, it's basically setting up a series of actions so that you don't ever have to do those actions manually yourself. Let's have a look at Flodesk as well. Flodesk's layout is also super simple. Immediately, that's the first thing that I noticed about Flodesk. If you go into email here, you create a new email, you can choose one of the templates that they have. So for example, we're going to choose this one. We're going to say customize this template, and from here you can go up and completely change everything within this template. So the moment you click down, you get some options on the right hand side. You can change the font style, the layout, you can add links, you can add blocks. And this is really nice, again, because it's very simple, especially if you're just jumping into a platform like this and you're not really familiar. It makes it really easy for you to use. And at the end of the day, that is kind of like the point of this software. It's to make your workflow and your life easier so that you can take your time and you can spend it on your business. Having a look at the workflows as well. When you're creating new workflows, you have some templates. So if you're unfamiliar with creating workflows, you don't have to start from the beginning and try and figure it out as you go along. These workflows have been created so that you can make your life easier. So all you need to do is click on one of these items. These blocks represent each one of these actions or triggers. And then you just choose your action. You choose a segmentation of people within your Flodesk account, and then you choose what happens to those people once they mark the trigger. So here they're getting this email. You can customize this email when you go back to your main menu, and you can customize that email. So it's really, really easy and simple to use. I love the layout. You can also manage your audience here. You can add subscribers. You can also see all of your analytics here as well. So it's all in one place and it's great. You also have the opportunity to integrate third-party software, so which will make your life, again, so much easier. The same with Klaviyo. You can integrate Instagram, Shopify. As you can see, there's a bunch of integrations here that you can connect and you can use within Flodesk. So in my opinion, I've been using Klaviyo for a while, and I like Klaviyo because it's very simple and it's easy to use, especially if you're considering that not everyone is familiar with this type of software. However, I want to say that Flodesk just seems a whole lot easier and more simple. Like, their layout is awesome. Their pages load very quickly. They've got a nice assortment of different types of templates, and I think it's great. So in this instance, I wouldn't even mind moving over to Flodesk and using Flodesk as my new email management system. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Peace.